Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book an NHS dental appointment online in the UK. So this can be really helpful if you want to find a dentist near you and quickly check whether they are accepting new NHS patients before you try to book. So to get started, go to the NHS website and then open the page for finding a dentist. So once you are there, type in your postcode. You can also use your town or city if that works better for you. So after your search, the website will show a list of dental practices in your area. So from there, take a moment to look through the results and check which dentists are currently accepting new NHS patients. And some places may be open to children, adults, or people who qualify for free dental care, while others may not be taking new NHS patients at the moment. And when you find one that is available, click on the dental practice to see more details. So after opening up the dentist page, go to the appointment section and choose the option to contact the dentist about booking. So this will show you their contact information, including their phone number and opening hours. So once you have those details, you can contact the practice and arrange your appointment. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.